Hi, my name is Merel and I'm here at Theo's again to make my hair a lot more bluer and a lot more greener.
Yeah, even turquoise.
Yes, it's one of my favorites.
Will you turn so they can see your hair? I will set a photo of you from the last time into the video so they can see how the color travels back. And the outgrow is huge.
Huge.
Huge. Let's start on you. Hello friends on YouTube, gonna do Merel's hair again. Now we don't need to cut, maybe, I don't even think. We're going to do everything to give her a wonderful new color. So the first thing I'm going to do is protect her for coloring. I'm gonna work with a loom and I'm gonna work with a real color. Tell you everything into this video. In the Netherlands, mouth protection is still not necessary, only when you have a place where a lot of people are. In my studio we are both alone.
And very healthy.
And very healthy. And I'm the weakest point in this. Okay, also I lay plastic foil on the shoulders. This I have to use. Pin the hairs up with chopsticks. Then I'm gonna make her colors. Gonna work with what I told you with the loom. The loom is a very nice color. Doesn't damage the hair. We'll put protection steps in it to get more hold to the hairs. And only the first part, that's the weakest point of the loom, is not colored. So there I bring in a blue color because we want to start in blue color and then up to the turquoise, even lighter tones in the ends. So I'm gonna make the colors, put my own protection, and then I'm back. Take out the pins, start on top, and the first color I'm going to use is blue. It's blue of glint. I apply it with step 1 in it. I put a photo of step 1 and 2 into the video, and I only set in the outgrow. This to have more hold on the hairs. And the loom I can really put over this because it will certainly work into the colors, but not that much that they are fighting each other. I use 3% because when I would take 6 or 9, that's 20 or 30 volume, I would bring out the yellow colors too much. I don't want to this because the deep color in the underlines is more beautiful to watch. So I do all the hair, of course. I have all the blue colors on the outgrow. So now the first thing I'm going to do is bring in yellows at the ends of the hair and then bring in the turquoise because the turquoise can lay over all the colors. And I can really put also blue in it if you like it, because some people like to see what's happening. So I can also make now a blue at all. Put this over this color, because this color develops the color into the hairs, and the blue at all of gold one just stays on the outsides of the hair. So I can lay it over this color. If you like it, I will do this, but I cannot ask you, so I do this. Klinkt dat goed?
Blue isn't blue, blue is blue.
It's start with a blue. This is a loom and it's a blue at all. So I put this over the color I just applied. This is really blue. I do the same as I did previous. It's a totally different product. It's more creamy. Apply this over the color and just bring it a bit farther from that part I just set in. Also in this I have a step 1. Step 1 is nursing the hairs. Come to the last lines of this blue at all. So now I'm going to work with the yellows. The yellows are laying the underlines of her hair, so just in the parts below and in the hairs between it. gonna work with the turquoise. This color, it's a real bright yellow color. Looks like this. Also put a step 1 in this. All those colors of Volume smell really nice. Now don't work this totally out. Just take some ends of the hair and apply the yellow into this. Because the turquoise will lay over this. It doesn't matter where it is because I bring the turquoise all over her hair. This is just to give a playful effect. I can do some more if I want to. Be creative, don't think too strong in lines. And all the products smell really nice. Oh yeah, and the cape she has is also a plastic cape, so you can get all the colors off if I want to. Afterwards. Also this is step 1. You can see already developing the color blue top. So do this to all her hair, of course. Now, I have this color on her hair, so I'll turn it the other way. She wants that way, but I want it this way. So this is the color now, and now I'm going to apply turquoise at all over it, also with step 1. I'm going to work turquoise into her hair. It's turquoise at all. So take up the hairs. Start applying turquoise. And bring it on the yellow colors also. And this will give really trendy colors to the hairs. You can already see how nice turquoise is.
Oh, it's the perfect one.
The perfect turquoise.
A friend of mine says that he loves turquoise, but there is no perfect turquoise. It can always be better.
Okay. Now I will be stunned. I'm certain of that. And if people who watch the video want to know what your friend finds from this, they can always give a comment and you can always reply back.
Mm-hmm.
So do all her hair. Okay, now I have all the colors on her hair. I turn her once more so you can see how beautiful the yellow colors lay into the, because they become more greenish in the underline, so you get a beautiful sea green color by this. And now I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes, then rinse it out, step 2 into the hairs for 10 minutes, and then we're back to show you the end result. Hello, back from coloring. After 25 minutes we rinse it out, put in step 2, leave that in for 10 minutes. Step 2 of Clint give more power to the hair. Now the ends are really nice, so the only thing I'm going to do is gonna style the hair, blow drying, then restyle it with iron. But first I'm going to show you wet how beautiful the hair is. You can see really nice the colors in her hair. You see the overflow from the dark blue color into the turquoise and then into, it's like seagrass, the colors what you see when you watch TV and see fishes all around. But I'm a waterman and not a fish, so it's not me.
Wow.
Okay, before I go blow drying, I put in elastic girl spray. I really love this product, it really smells really nice. Brush this also through the hair. Now start parting over the skull bone and then blow drying with a large brush.
Easy peasy mango squeeze.
Yeah. so do all hair. Zo mooi dat lichte lapje erin.
Geeft een mooie dynamiek.
For sofa blow drying, now ask her to turn around so you can see the end result of this, and then I can make the hairs even more curly. You see how wonderful the colors are. There's nothing in the hair, just a protection for blow drying. Zullen we foto's maken van deze, zo stel?
Ja hoor.
Now pin the hair up, and you can see when I do this, she looks like a paradise bird, because all the colors lay over her hair, but real cool and also warm. So now I start with my iron, start in the underlines, pin the hairs up. Only have one clip, so the other I do with my chopstick. A soft protection for the hair, so take a soft hairspray.
Jo, maar als je zeg maar niet al te harde krullen maakt en soort.
Dat is ook zo. Take a part of her hair. Just gently go down. And of course I do this to all her hair. Hair is a bit curly, so now I use a Caribbean spray. It's a soft wax that brings out the colors even better, and it don't hardens the hair. This is our Sunday pleasure, because it's Sunday. But I love to work every day, so I thank her for being my model. I thank you for watching. Free her, she will turn, and you can see the end result. Bye bye. Dankjewel.
Helemaal nice. My name is Merel and I'm here at Theo's again to make my hair a lot more bluer and a lot more greener.
Yeah, even turquoise.
Yes, it's one of my favorites.
Will you turn so they can see your hair? I will set a photo of you from the last time into the video, so they can see how the color travels back. And the outgrow is huge.
Huge.